In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the 4 best app lockers in Google Play Store. So you can use them to keep your apps and your data restricted and safe. If you're having any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply you immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now I'm going to start by showing you 3 of these best apps, and then once I've shown you guys this app, the fourth one, I'm going to show you guys how to set everything up so that when you are doing yours, it's going to be quite easy. Now the first app on the list is called AppLock. AppLock Fingerprint. So just spell it exactly how you can see me spelling it right now. AppLock, AppLock Fingerprint. So that's the correct spelling. So once you've done that, just click on search and you're going to see it in here. So you can see the exact app is AppLock Fingerprint by Trusted Tools. So you can go ahead and install this app and you'll be able to use it to actually lock any of your favorite app or any app that you're trying to keep restricted or hidden. Now the second app is AppLock Sailing Lab. So once you search for it, you're definitely going to see the app. So you can see the app right here. App lock apps and what are they saying? Lock apps and password by Sailing Lab. So you can see this is the exact app. So this is the second best app that you can use to lock your apps on Google Play Store. And do not forget the fourth app. I'm going to show you guys how to set everything up. So just simply wait for that. Now let's move on to the third app. So the third app is called AppLock Fingerprint. So once you search for it, you're going to see the app. The app is by SP Soft. So you can see the app in here. So this is actually the app. So you can go ahead and also use this third app to actually lock any of your applications. Now let's move on to the fourth app so I can actually show you guys how to set everything up. So let's search for the fourth app. The fourth app is AppLock Lock Apps. So once you search for it, you just have to make sure you look for the exact one because this one is by InShot. So you can see InShot Internationals. I don't know if it's internationals, but it's InShot INC. So make sure this is the exact one you are downloading because there are a lot of apps in here, so you don't want to make mistake. So make sure it's this exact one by InShot that you are downloading. So let me install this one so I can actually show you guys how to set everything up. So once you install any of these apps that I've been mentioning on this video, just go ahead and open them because this app, each and every one of them, they are quite similar. So just open any of them. On this one, click start and then draw your lock pattern. So I'm going to confirm that pattern. So once I'm done doing that, it's going to tell me please select the apps that you want to lock. So I don't want to lock too much apps. I just want to lock some few apps. So let me scroll down a little bit. I'm going to be locking Telegram, and at the same time I would also like to lock my Canva app, which is the app that I normally use a lot for editing, but I'm not seeing the app in here right now. But I've already seen my Telegram app, so let me just look for my Canva app real quick. So I've seen my Canva app, so I'm going to be locking this app as well. So all I have to do now is just click on lock. You can see lock below, so I'm going to click on lock. Once I click on it, it's going to ask me for permissions. So you can see there are two permissions in here. So I'm going to click on this first one, which is display over other apps. So once I click on it, I just have to look for app lock and then I'll turn it on. Now once I've done that, all I have to do is to enable this usage access. So I'll tap on it and then I'll turn it on. And lastly, it's asking me for protected apps. I don't know what that actually is, but I'm going to turn it on and then I'll click on allow. So once you've done this, everything is quite set up. So you can see your lock app in this section. Okay, sometimes it's actually going to play ads as well. So whenever it's playing ads, just click the cancel icon at the top. So like I was saying, you can see the lock section. So in the lock section, you can see the 3 apps that I've locked, which is Telegram, Chrome, and Canva. Although I didn't actually wanted to lock my Chrome, so I think I actually locked my Chrome by mistake. But the fact is, it's locked right now. So let's go and try it out. So once I go to my Telegram and I click on it, you see that it's actually going to ask me for for my pattern. So with that pattern, I can actually access it. So once I impute my pattern, it's going to open right up. And then once I go to my Canva app, which is my editing app, and I try opening it, it's also going to ask me for a pattern. And once I apply that pattern, it's going to open right up. So this app is the best app you can actually use, the four that I just listed, for locking your app so you can keep your things private. And then once you want to unlock any of this app, it's also quite easy because you are going to see the lock icon in there. So let me show you guys real quick before I end this video. So let me say you want to unlock all this app. It's quite easy to do. So in here in the lock session, you can see there's this lock icon in the corner. So all I have to do is just tap on it and then click on unlock, and I'll be able to unlock my app. So I'm going to unlock all the three apps. So right now everything is unlocked. So let's give it a try once more. Let me close all my apps. So let me try opening Canva. You can see it's not asking me for password anymore, or rather for pattern anymore. Now let's do it for my Telegram as well. So if I open my Telegram, you can see it's opening without the pattern. So this is the best way you can actually use to lock any of your apps. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it's actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.